Hey guys, what is up? I'm back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, you guys already know what I'm going to be talking about. You guys know. So you guys already guessed it. I am going to be reviewing the new Jaclyn collection. I'm going to be reviewing the bronzer and blush duos and the accent highlighters. These are the individual ones. So I can't wait to show you guys my thoughts on these babies. So before you guys head into the tutorial, I just want to say, Jaclyn, congratulations on your brand. I think you're doing such a great job, and I can't wait to see more launches. Before you guys head into the tutorial, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. So if you guys want to see the tea, then let's just keep on watching. Yeah, you guys already know what I'm gonna be reviewing. Okay, so packaging A1, a lot of bubble wrap. Let's just get these babies out. So I got a bunch of stuff. Everything is wrapped individually. And so yeah, I got a bunch of things. Let me just get something out. So I got 3 highlighter accents or something like that. Yeah, and then the bronzer and blush. And I got this loose highlighter, and this one is in HYPNOTIC. Yeah, so I had to get it. Like, I made 2 separate orders because I got what I wanted, except like the powder, like the loose translucent stuff powder, like the highlighter. The packaging is gorgeous, you guys. So I wouldn't expect anything less from Jaclyn, okay? Jaclyn, you girl. Packaging, this rose gold packaging is so pretty. So this is the baby right here. This is what it looks like. The packaging is very nice. I am obsessed. I love that it's a little square. It's so pretty. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys could see, but this is my little beauty. I can't wait. I'm gonna apply it on the cap, of course, because this is what it looks like right here. I'm going to, ooh, look how pretty this is. This is the like purple iridescent looking one. Very nice. Can't wait to do some looks using this. Okay, so that one's that. Let's get that one out of the way. I think this is super cute. Woo, okay, so everything's bubble wrapped. I like that. So they're well protected. Okay, so these are the ACCENTLIGHT highlighters. So yeah, this doesn't say that right here. So yeah, this just says highlighter. So the first one I grabbed just out of order. This is Go for Gold. I knew I wanted something gold because, you know, you can use it for eyeshadow, multi-use, you know, so you could just have fun. But right off the bat, you guys, this is so pretty, you guys. Very, very cute. The packaging is very nice. Very easy to open. Love that. And you got those nails, girl. You don't have to like struggle or whatever. It just opens. It's just a magnetic closure, and it just looks really very, very luxurious, very pretty. I love the packaging. It does have some weight to it, which I like, and it says Jaclyn. It has a J right here, and yeah, it has a beautiful mirror. Very nice. It says Jaclyn Cosmetics inside. This is the Go for Gold shade right here. I'll have swatches of this one right here. This is very buttery, but I'm gonna do a little finger swatch too, you know. Feels very nice. These are baked. All right, so I didn't get a card or anything in here. I just have my receipt or whatever, the invoice. So yeah, I didn't get that cute little card that everybody got. So, and let's just go with the highlighter since we're doing that. Okay, this one is Mesmerized. I wanted like a peachy, pinky highlight, and this was very pretty. It's like a peachy pink highlighter. So again, swatches will be right here next to me, and I'll do a finger swatch right here for you guys. Probably gonna wear that one, I think. Okay. So last highlighter, so I got 3 of them. And this one is Sparks. This is like a goldy champagne color. And it is so pretty, you guys. Yeah, this one's pretty. So I'm happy that she came out with like individual. This is a finger swatch of this one. Okay, so blush. Okay, if you guys know me, you guys know I love blush. So I was really hyped for these. I did see a couple reviews, and I hope that I picked the right ones. So this one is, this one was called SUNKISSED and Bronze Moment. Packaging is so pretty. It's just a sleek black packaging with a J right here. Again, with the magnet closure. Looks like very, very cute. So the next one I got was Stay Rosy and Yummy Toffee. So again, this is very beautiful. They all look the same. This one looks a little deeper. Super beautiful. So I did dig my nails in it. On to the last one that I ordered, Hot Lava. Okay, so when I saw that orangey blush, I'm like, it's mine. I need it. It's so cute. The packaging is just very pretty. I'm obsessed with the packaging. It's so nice, you guys. You can tell she put a lot of thought in her stuff, so I'm just super proud of her. So yeah, this is Hot Lava. Yes, I like it. For sure I'm going to use that blush. Let's go in with the Yummy Toffee. So I did cream bronze, so yeah, that's why you guys can see a little bit of contour, but I didn't apply anything after that. So I'm going to go in with Yummy Toffee. And I'm just going to swirl my brush. So it does have some kickback, and honestly, I don't really mind it. I never mind kickback, like it really doesn't bother me. So we're just going to see if it blends good with my bronzer, my cream bronze. Let's see, I've seen some people say like it was a little patchy. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. Okay, you guys could tell that it's different, right? Yeah. So I gave like a more warm-y type of bronze, which I like. So I'm just gonna tap, you know, that's what I always do. I always tap the bronzer first because I did cream bronze. So then I'm gonna go ahead and sweep it up. Okay. Okay. You can see it. You can see it. I should have tried it without bronzer underneath. I know, I'm so sorry, but for me, I always try things the way I'm going to use them because I want to give them a fair shot. I don't want to just say like, oh, this was not good, you know? But I like more of an orangey shade, like what I like to use most for bronze, because I don't like really contour. I use MAC Give Me Sun. It's like a nice golden bronze, like a bronze, like golden, like a golden color. Like it's really, really nice. So yeah, I did like that color. I feel like I'm not going to be able to use this shade right here, the Bronze Moment. I feel like it's just too light for me. Let me just do a little swatch right here. I feel like this would be good for like the days that, you know, I don't want too much contour, just a little. You could see a little bit right here. Let's try the one that I usually use, okay? This is what I usually use, like this. And this is Bronze Moment at the top, and then my Give Me Sun that I always use. I like more like that color. I feel like this is like more cool tone, you know? Okay, for blush, I'm going to try out the Hot Lava one because I just love any orangey, peachy blush. I just love that. So going in. Okay, so it does have a lot of kickback on this one, but it might just be the brush that I'm using as well. She's pigmented, you guys. She's pigmented. So let's tap her off. Okay, so I'm gonna, okay, yeah. Perfect. Look at how pigmented this is. All right. All right, guys. All right, let's tone her down. I look like a clown. Okay. It's okay. I love a peachy blush. As you can see, she is there. She is showing up. She is pigmented. So put a little bit right here. Okay, just like that. I just applied my powder a little bit just to tone her down because, you know, she's there. She's there. So let's swatch that one because she is very pretty. Let's do this right here. So she's really, really pigmented. You guys, look at that. You see how pigmented? Hot Lava, the top one. So I didn't have any trouble with patchiness. I know I saw some reviews that said that there was like patchiness, and honestly, I didn't see that. I have oily to combination skin. I prep my skin really good, like all the time. Even though that I'm oily, I prep my skin with a lot of moisturizer. I love things that are hydrating for me. Now that the contour is cut, so we're gonna go in with, should I go in with Sparks or should I go in with Mesmerized? I think I'm gonna go in with Mesmerized. Okay, so what I always do is spray my face with any setting spray, anything. So I'm gonna just spray my face with ABH Dewy Set, which is my favorite. So taking my Morphe M501 brush, it's just this one right here. So I swirled my brush in here, and it does have a lot of kickback. It's probably because it's baked, I don't know, but it could probably be my brush too. But honestly, I don't mind. Okay, she's pigmented. She's super pigmented, very pretty, such a pretty shade right here. I love it. So I will tone her down, but I just want to show you guys how it applies, and I'm just applying it very softly, like I'm not putting pressure on my face, just doing soft strokes. And she is hella pigmented. So I'm going to take the blush brush. I'm not going to put any more blush. I'm just going to blend that in together. That way there won't be any harsh lines. And I feel like it looks really good. It doesn't look patchy. It looks, doesn't look like a flaky, like dry, or, you know, doesn't look like crusty or anything. It looks really nice. Like it kind of melts in your skin type of stuff. Like always, I'm going to apply it down the bridge of my nose, taking my Morphe 515 brush. And I am just going to put just a little bit right here. Okay, and the tip of my nose. What I'm going to be doing is going to spray my sponge, and I'm just going to go over top just to further melt the highlighter so it can melt together with the blush. So it looks really good. Girl, I am beaming. I never put highlighter right here, but I'm just going to put a little bit, just a little, just to hit it a little right here. Cute, cute, cute. I love, love, love it. Alright, you guys, this is how it looks. I think it looks very, very nice. Very cute. I'm going to put it in the inner corner too. Yeah, let's try Sparks. I'm going to put a little bit right here in the inner corner just to see how that looks. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty. Just a little. Okay, so that is that. I think it looks very pretty. So the shades that I used worked out for me. I think it's really, really pretty. I can't wait to try out the other ones. I feel like this one in this Hot Lava palette, Cocoa Rich, I don't think I will be able to rock this one. It's too deep of a bronzer for me. I don't really typically like super, super deep shades for bronzing. But I like that they're not, this one is not cool tone. It's like more warm tone, so that's nice. So for sure I can use it for eyeshadow and stuff like that. So I am not worried about it. I am going to use everything. I liked everything. I think everything worked out very nicely. Blended out very good. What do you guys think? So those are my final thoughts is, girl, if you could get your hands on some stuff, get it. I don't think you need every bronzer and blush. It's better to pick something that you're gonna actually use, something's gonna work for you. I only picked up 3 palettes of the blush because I already knew I didn't need all of them. I just knew because I was like, some of them are not gonna show up on me, you know. So these 3 stood out to me. That's why I picked these up. And I love the way that it's so easy to clean. Like, it's not that material where it's gonna stain. If you get all these fingerprints, you could just wipe it down and you're good to go. But yeah, they look so cute in my little vanity behind me. I cannot wait to put it up there. So these highlighters though, these highlighters are a must. You won't go through them fast, you know. But yeah, if you had to pick one, just pick one you're gonna actually wear. The colors that I picked were very pretty. I love them. The one that I use really suit my skin tone. I am like a medium tan. If you have like skin tone like me, you guys, this one will be super good on you. Those are my final thoughts. I loved everything, and I hope you guys like this little mini tutorial. Before you guys head out of this tutorial, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. You guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.